the very first lecture of the Python series. Today we will cover all these following topics in very detail. What is Python? Python characters, variables, what is memory, how we have to write memory, rules for identifier, data types, keywords in Python, comments. There are two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comments. We will cover these all topics in very detail. Multi-line comments, types of character, arithmetic operation for example sum, difference, then multiplication, division, etc. Welcome to our first lesson on Python, in which we'll understand what is Python, how we can write our first program in Python. So Python is a programming language. Python is simple and easy to use, free and open source. It is a high level language. It is developed by Cairo van Rossum. Correct me if I had pronounced wrong. So Python use interpreter as a translator, machine code 0 and 1. Let's come to our first code, in which I had written print parenthesis double quotes hello world, where print is a type of function that outputs text hello world, to the screen. Let's discuss our next topic, which is Python characters. Python characters, there are main three Python character letters, digits, special symbols, in which A to Z is uppercase, small a to small z is lowercase. Digits 0 to 9, we can use 0 to 9 characters in Python. Special symbols, addition, difference, asterisk is used for multiplication purpose, division, etc. White space, black space, backspace, tab, new line, etc. These characters we can also use in Python. Python can also process all ASCII and Unicode characters as part of data or literals. Now come to our next topic, which is our third topic, variables. A variable is a name given to memory location in a program. Here I had taken three variables, name, age, price, in which name is a variable, aman is a value which is assigned to name variable. Age is a variable and 23 is a value. It can update after sometimes 26. Price is a variable and 25.99 is a value. We can update these values because variables can change. For instance, age can be updated from 23 to 26 after some time. Let's cover our next topic, memory. In memory, I had taken two variables, age and name, in which, as you can see here, age and name both take some space in memory location. I'll discuss our next topic, rules for identifiers. There are 4 rules in identifier. The first rule for identifier is identifier can be combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. What do you mean by uppercase? Means capital A to capital Z, and lowercase means small a to small z. Digits, we can use digits also, 0 to 9 or underscore. So my variable underscore 1, variable underscore 4 underscore print, all are valid Python identifier. We can use all these identifiers in Python which are valid. Second rule for identifier, and identifiers cannot start with digit, means we can't start our identifier name with digit, means 0 to 9. So while variable 1 is valid in Python, but one variable is not valid in Python. We can't write our variable name as one variable. Okay, so let's come to our rule third for identifier. We can't use special symbols like not. We can call it at not in Python, in programming language also, at the rate, modulo, dollar, hashtag, etc. in our identifiers. Fourth rule for identifier is identifier can be of any length. We can write any length of identifier in our program. I had taken here an example, print type name, in which print will type the name of variable which is a string, means type of name variable is a string. Understand? Okay. Must start an identifier with a capital A to capital Z means uppercase and small a to small z means lowercase. We can also write underscore. While Python is a case sensitive language, in which my variable and my variable both are different in Python, because it is a case sensitive, means here I had written capital V and here I had taken small v. Both are different in Python. Let's come to our next topic, which is data types. There are 5 types of data in Python. First one is integer, second is a string, float, boolean, none. In integers we can take positive, negative, 0. We can take as int type. In string we can be written all the string values in double quotes either, or single quote or triple quotes. Text data which can be written in single, double or triple quotes. For example, we can write here double quotes hello world. Okay. Float. Decimal values are taken as float. Here I had taken two example 3.99, 0.6. Both are decimal values and we can take it in float. Okay. The fourth data type is boolean. It represents truth and false, means it returns true and false. Okay. It returns true and false. Now let's come to our next. Fifth data type is none, in which it represents absence of value or null value. Next we'll discuss keywords in Python. There are various keywords in Python. I'll mention here a few of them, such as and, else, in, return, as, except, is, true. We can use all these keywords in our program. Assert, false, try, while, with, or, if, global, continue, pass, yield, finally. Keywords are reserved words in Python. We cannot make keywords name as variable, means we can't write false as a variable name. While Python is a case sensitive language, means capital A or small a both are different in Python. Let's come to our next topic, which is comments in Python. Comments are used to explain code and are not executed by the interpreter in Python, means we can write our comments but comments will not appear in our output. Single line comments are start with hashtag and multi-line comments can be created using triple quotes. Now we'll discuss types of operators in Python. An operator is a symbol that performs a certain operation between operands. Means here I had taken an example A plus B, where A and B both are operand and plus symbol is a operator. There are 5 types of operator in Python. First one is the arithmetic, second one is the relational or comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operators. Arithmetic operators, for example, addition, difference, subtraction, division, asterisk, modulo. Modulo operator is used to find remainder. Double asterisk is used for powering function, means it is used as a asterisk asterisk b. Its output is a to the b, means power. Second operator is relational or comparison operator, which is used for comparison function. Double equals to, not equals to, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. It always return true or false in output. The third one is assignment operator, which is used to assign some values equals to, plus equals to, asterisk equals to, division equals to, modulo equals to, double asterisk equals to. Fourth one is logical operators, not, and, or. We can use these operators as a logic, means not is used as this symbol, and we can write and in our program, we can use or in our program. We'll discuss all these operators in very detail in our upcoming lecture. First, here we will discuss arithmetic operator. I had taken two variables a and b. We can take any value here. Here I had taken a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5. Where sum is equals to a plus b. Print sum. Its output will be a plus b, and this is 7. Okay, same as we can do our subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. We can see all these operations in our program. Let's understand how we can write these arithmetic operators in Python code. Okay. Let's keep learning and coding together. See you in the next video.